from our perspective as an investor, it's very difficult to assess the existence of a market, the size of the market, and I would say the attractiveness of a solution in medical devices, but in the assistive technology in particular, until there are indications about ISO approvals, local approvals of any regulatory body, and in the case of what Mohammed said about Cure Bionics, which is trials and approval by a regulated body that helps to tell us that whatever prototype has been developed has market potential. So if you get a CE mark, ISO approval, US FDA, or any recognized regulatory body, it's also a sign for us to say, okay, this product has at least the ability to access a potential market. So from our perspective, we look at those stages as critical as investors to monitor and invest, right? So, and Mohammed said it very well. Unfortunately, a lot of AT solutions are not working backwards to say, okay, I'm a class 1B, whatever device, potential device. Even knowing that information is quite difficult to get by, as he mentioned. So I think there's a lot of education early on to AT entrepreneurs to know what category of device they could be or solution they could be, number one. And number two, what is the pathway to get there to, one, create a market, but also to make themselves investable for investors like us, because we often don't know unless we have an internal tech team or deep tech team that can assess the potential, knowing, okay, this device that we're looking at or this solution that we're looking at that's going to provide accessibility could be categorized like this and therefore has a market potential of this size. Okay? So it's very critical to determine the market as a function of the regulatory process pathways that is driven to it. Thank you.
All right. Wow. So a lot just there.